Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Claude for UI design in 2026. Designing an app or website, Claude can help you with UI ideas. Claude isn't a designing tool, but it says in 2026, it's amazing for UI design planning. Now you can use it to generate layout ideas, suggest color schemes, and improve users' experience. So let's see how and follow these few simple steps. First thing you want to do is to open Claude AI. You're going to go to your web browser and then you're going to type the Claude in the search bar and then you're going to click on the Claude.ai website. After that, you're going to start a new chat by clicking on new chat here and then you're going to describe your project. For example, I want to make a website and want to make an e-commerce website like this. You're gonna tell him to suggest or app or dashboard, etc. And you're gonna tell him to suggest a clean UI layout or create a UI design idea for a login page. Like create, let's fix the typo, create a UI design, just like this. Then you're gonna type here. Apparently, Claude will ask you some additional information about your website, so it can design the website here. As you can see, it started creating. It tells you he will create a modern e-commerce website for you. He will start checking the front end design skills to ensure he follows practice, etc. So you're just gonna wait. After that, after completing the UI design, you're just going to review the suggestions. You're going to ask for wireframe style description or UX type tips. And don't expect visual designs directly. Don't skip describing your target users. Make sure to give him all the information he needs and combine with design tools like Figma. And that's it. That's how you use Claude for UI design in 2026 to speed up planning. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.